Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever feel like your hair needs that extra boost, a little indulgence to make it feel hydrated, soft, and super manageable? Well, today I'm diving into a product that promises to do just that, Oribe's Moisture and Control Deep Treatment Mask. This hair mask is designed for coily hair types, so it's made with ingredients and a formula to really target the needs of more textured hair. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and vegan. So, no worries about those harsh chemicals that could potentially damage your hair. Plus, it's cruelty-free, which we all love, right? Now let's talk about the experience. When I first applied the mask, I was a little concerned that it wouldn't be rich enough, since some deep conditioners can feel heavy and take forever to rinse out. But this one is different. The texture is smooth, almost like a silky cream, and it's easy to apply. I left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes as recommended, and during that time, I could already feel my hair soaking in the moisture. When it came time to rinse, I was pleasantly surprised. It washed out easily without feeling like it left any residue behind. My hair felt softer, and honestly, it was much easier to detangle, which is a huge plus for me. I noticed a bit more definition in my curls too, which is always a win. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. First off, the pros. This mask is super moisturizing without weighing my hair down, which is a struggle I have with a lot of products. My hair felt hydrated, soft, and more manageable, especially after styling. Plus, it's great for color-treated hair, so if you've had a fresh dye job or keratin treatment, you're in the clear. But there's a downside too, the price. Oribe is definitely a premium brand, and while it's worth it for the quality, it's not exactly budget-friendly. If you're on a tighter budget, there are some other good options out there, but this one really does deliver on the hydration and curl definition. For the price, I do think it's a worthwhile investment if you're looking for that luxurious feel and high-quality ingredients. But if you're looking for something a bit more affordable, there are other deep treatments with similar benefits, though they might not be as specialized for coily hair. In terms of build quality, the packaging is typical of Oribe, luxurious and solid, which is nice to see in a high-end brand. You can tell they take their product design seriously, from the sturdy jar to the premium feel of the entire experience. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had to reach out directly, but Oribe has a strong reputation for their responsiveness and helping customers resolve any issues. That's always a plus, especially when you're investing in a product that's not on the cheap side. Now, if you're someone who's looking for something more budget-friendly or just curious about other options, a good alternative could be Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. It's also sulfate and paraben-free, and while it's not quite as luxe as Oribe, it delivers a similar moisture boost at a much more affordable price. To sum up, Oribe's Moisture and Control Deep Treatment Mask is a great product if you're looking for a luxurious treatment that really hydrates coily hair and helps define your curls. The only drawback is the price. It's definitely on the higher end, but it's worth considering if you want a high-end product that delivers solid results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. I'd love to know what you think of it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.